Hi, my dear kids. Welcome to our channel Easy Learn Funny Learn. Please subscribe our channel. It will motivate me to post more videos. So in this video, we are going to see chapter 8, Earth and Universe of MTG NSO Workbook class 4. So here the skills covered are our solar system, Earth and its layer, movement of Earth, rotation and revolution, Moon and its phases, weather and seasons, relationship of festivals with heavenly bodies. We all know our solar system consists of Sun, 8 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and moons and other celestial bodies. So, weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time. Seasons are caused due to tilted axis of Earth and the revolution of Earth around the season. So, day and night are caused due to the rotation of Earth. So, many Indian festivals are linked to sun, moon and seasons. Okay. So, sun is the driving force of water cycle. It evaporates water from surfaces of water bodies which condenses in air to form water droplets which form clouds. When water droplets join each other and become heavier, they fall on earth as rain. Okay. So, the revolution of earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution and earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, there are various phases of moon, new moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon, full moon. Okay. So come we see the practice questions. First one. Parts near the equator have dash marked seasons because dash. Option A. No. They face the sun for 6 months continuously. B. Clearly, they face the sun for 6 months continuously. C. No, they remain at almost same angle to the sun throughout the year. D. Clearly, they remain at almost same angle to the sun throughout the year. So, equator is nothing but the horizontal imaginary line that goes through the center of the earth. So, the parts near the equator receive same amount of sunlight throughout the year as they remain at almost same angle to the sun throughout the year. Hence, they do not have marked season. Okay. Parts near the equator have no marked seasons because they remain at almost same angle to the sun throughout the year. Option C is the correct answer. Second one. Select the odd one out based on the composition. A. Earth, B. Saturn, C. Neptune, D. Jupiter. So, Earth is the inner planet made of hard rocks. Okay. While the other planets are outer planets made of gases. So, the odd one out based on composition is option A, Earth. Okay. Third one. The Earth takes dash days to complete one rotation on its axis and dash days to complete one revolution in its orbit around center of solar system. So, we know the Earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation and 365 or 366 days to complete one revolution in its orbit around the center of solar system. So 365. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. Fourth one. Volcano is an opening on the Earth's surface which releases dash when explodes. A. crust, B. lava, C. mantle, D. none of these. So volcanoes are opening in the Earth's crust that connects interior of the Earth to the surface. So they release lava when explodes. They release lava when explodes. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Fifth one. Pluto was demoted to be dash planet on dash. DOF August 24, 2006. B. Giant August 24, 2006. C. DOF August 15, 2005. D. Giant August 15, 2005. So Pluto was demoted to be a dwarf planet on August 24, 2006. So this question is asked in 2022 NSO Set A question paper. Okay. Fifth question was asked in 2022 Set A NSO paper. Sixth one. The festival of Holi marks the coming of dash. Autumn, winter, spring, summer. So the festival of Holi marks the coming of spring. Marks the coming of spring. Option C is the correct answer. Seventh one. The season when temperature is moderate and blooming flowers could be seen all around is called dash. Autumn, spring, summer, winter. So the season when temperature is moderate and blooming flowers could be seen all around is called spring. Option B. Spring season. Okay. Eighth one. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Okay. Farthest planet. So farthest planet is, yes, Neptune. Farthest planet is Neptune. Morning star, Venus. Evening star, it is also Venus. Red planet, we know red planet means Mars. Largest planet, Jupiter. Okay, largest planet, Jupiter. So option B is the correct answer. Farthest planet Neptune, morning and evening star Venus, red planet Mars, largest planet Jupiter. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Ninth one. Which one of the following pie charts represents the fraction of Earth that is not covered by water? The shaded part represents the fraction of Earth not covered by water. That is, they told the fraction of land part. Okay. Fraction of Earth that covered by land. So we know 3/4 of Earth's area is covered with water and 1/4 of it is covered by land. So D option. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water and 1/4 by land. Okay. Option D. 10th one. The figure shows the shape of moon as seen from Earth on different night. Which one of the following figures shows the correct shape of moon on 1st September? So we know the face of moon changes on every 7 days. Okay, every 7 days. So the first September 1 will be half moon. Okay. September 1 will be half moon. Option C. Okay, option C is the correct answer. 11th one. The given map shows some of the world's volcanoes. What conclusion can be drawn from the map? A. Volcanoes occur on only one continent. B. Volcanoes are affected by climate. C. Volcanoes occurs in ocean only. D. Volcano belt occurs across a huge land mass on earth. Okay. So the correct option, the conclusion can be drawn from the map is volcano belt occurs across a huge land mass on earth. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. 12th. The axis of the earth is tilted at an angle. This explains why the option A, season in northern hemisphere can never be same as the season in southern hemisphere. So it is the correct reason. B, northern hemisphere is away from the sun and southern hemisphere is towards it. No. C, southern hemisphere is away from the sun and northern hemisphere is towards it. No. D, all of these. No. So the correct reason explanation is season in northern hemisphere can never be the same as season in the southern hemisphere. If in northern hemisphere summer, then southern hemisphere experiences winter. If northern hemisphere experiences winter, then southern hemisphere experiences summer. Okay. Reverse condition will occur. 13th. The given figure shows 3 layers of earth. Select the correct statement regarding it. Option A. P and Q are liquid layers. B. Layer above R is called crust. C. Layer S makes up most of the earth's volume. D. All of these. Actually, P is the inner core, Q is outer core, R is mantle, S is crust. So, layer above R is called crust and P is a solid layer where Q is a liquid layer. And layer R makes up most of the total earth's volume. Okay. So option B is the correct statement. Layer above R is called crust. Okay. B. 14th one. Select the incorrect option regarding the planets of our solar system. So they told to find incorrect option. Option A. The size of the planet determines the size of its orbit. So this is incorrect statement because the size of planet doesn't determine the size of its orbit. So it's incorrect. The planet known as morning and evening star is also the hottest planet of our solar system. Yes, Venus is known as morning and evening star and also hottest planet. C. The largest planet is Jupiter and the smallest planet is Mercury. It's a correct statement. D. None of these. So the incorrect option regarding the planets of our solar system is the size of planet determines the size of its orbit. It's wrong statement. So correct option is option A. 15th one. Which of these correctly shows the relation of revolution of earth around the sun with the seasonal weather changes? So we know season occurs due to revolution of earth around the sun, and also it's in and the earth revolves in anti-clockwise. Okay, so the earth revolves around in anti-clockwise. So see the option D, they put clockwise direction. So option D is incorrect. So check option A. Actually north pole is towards the sun and south pole is away from the sun. So the pole which is towards the sun will experience summer and the pole which is away from sun experience winter. Okay, but they mark incorrect. Okay, so north pole summer, south pole winter. So option A also wrong. In B, the earth is not tilted. So that option also wrong. See the option C. North pole is away from sun and they experience winter. It's correct. And the south pole is towards the sun and they experience summer. And also it revolves around the sun in anti-clockwise. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, achiever section. Higher order thinking skill question. These questions are very important and each carries 2 marks. Okay. Direction. Question number 16 and 17. Study the given diagram showing part of the solar system and answer the following questions. Okay. Which of the following is incorrect regarding this? Planet C is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is wrong because planet C is Jupiter. Planet C is Jupiter, which is the largest planet in our solar system. And Saturn is the second largest planet. Okay, so this statement is incorrect. The planet B has no moon. So planet B is Mercury. It has no moon. So this statement also correct. The planet A and B are made up of rocks and iron. Yes, Mercury and Venus are made up of rocks and iron. The planet C and D are made up of gas. So this statement also correct. So the incorrect statement and the correct option is option A. The planet C is the second largest planet in the solar system. Okay. 7th. The orbit marked as X is of A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Comet, D. Earth. So the orbit marked as X. So comet is a celestial body that travels around the sun usually in a highly elliptical orbit. Thus it comes very near to the sun once in its evolution period for a specific period of time. This is when it is visible from the earth too. So the orbit marked as X is of comet, option C. 18th. Read the following features of some planets of our solar system and identify them. D. Boiling hot during day and freezing cold at night. That is Mercury. Boiling hot during day and freezing cold at night. Mercury. E. Largest and fastest spinning planet. That is Jupiter. Okay. Hottest planet. F. F is Venus. We know Venus is the hottest planet. G. Its rings are made up of ice, rocks and dust. That is Saturn. So option C is the correct answer. Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. 9th. Janvi thought that her garden dried out most quickly when it was hot and windy. She decided to investigate. She watered her dry garden on 4 different mornings for 10 minutes at 8 a.m. using the same amount of water. What should be the weather condition for 4 subsequent days to get a fair test? So please refer the given pictures. So 1 and 2 are hot. So first picture is hot, windy. Second one hot, calm. Third one cloudy, windy. Fourth one cloudy and then calm. Fifth one rainy, windy. Sixth one rainy and then calm. So for a fair test, option B, okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because she should not conduct test on rainy days. Okay, she should not conduct test on rainy days because already rain will give additional water, so she can't do fair test. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Option B is the correct answer. Last one, okay, 20th. Rhythm keeps observing phases of the moon appearing on different nights. On January 10, he observed half moon. Which phases of the moon he would most likely observe on January 13 and January 17? So we know half moon, next moon is no moon. That will happen on after 7 days, that is January 17 no moon, and January 13 the phases will be in between half moon and then no moon, that is crescent moon. So option C is the crescent moon and then no moon. So option C is the correct option. Thank you my dear kids. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press like button. Okay. So in our next video, we are going to see past papers of class 4 NSO. Thank you my dear kids.